Welcome to Highway 30.
It is 30.
I'm sorry, there's something in my eye.
What do you mean?
On this eye.
Yeah, it's an eyelash. Oh, and it's attached. It's just not curled.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
Today we are going to start our little Christmas ornament series for this year.
Yay! So we have 3 single ornament craft kits for you to try this year. We're excited about these. They're tiny and sweet and cute.
A fun, quick craft for you to do before the holidays when you have just a spare few minutes. So we like to have one video per craft for you, so it makes it really easy for you to find your tutorial when you're crafting these with us. So we're gonna give you 3 videos this week. So look out the rest of the week for the other 2 videos to see the other 2 ornaments we have ready for you.
You're gonna wanna see all of these.
So let's get started with ornament number 1.
Let's go.
I love that this is just going to be all neutral colors.
Me too.
Very simple. So the first step is to take and charge your hot glue gun.
Charge it up.
Charge it up, heat it up. And then we are going to take the larger rope that you get and we're going to just wrap the bottom half of the ring. And I guess the only thing we need to say is that make sure you start your rope on the back and that when you end up, you end it on the back too. So if you have any little strays, then at least they'll both be on the same side.
Yeah, we've given you plenty, so you'll be able to snip some at a perfect point.
Exactly.
Not
You
too
may
bad.
want to put a little bit of glue on the front side when you just start, but then really you should just be able to wrap and then glue at the end. How much wrapping do you do during the holiday season?
Lots of wrapping.
Wrapping presents used to be like a favorite thing for us to do. I remember asking Mom, can I wrap Sarah's presents this year?
I know.
And now it's like, oh, gotta go wrap the presents.
Try to do it little by little so it's not
Yeah.
just all one crazy night.
Yeah.
Although we are not doing things like putting together kitchens and dollhouses anymore.
I know, right?
So
It's almost, with teenagers, you have like that one big present. So you just, one big present to wrap every year.
would you like to wrap?
Sure.
You finish and I'll be your gluer. It's pretty satisfying.
It is. Just trying to keep it tight.
It'll cover about half of the circle. And because it's not glued in the middle, you can kind of shift them around and
Yeah.
because there will be a little bit of a space there where each one is wrapped. And did you end on the back?
I mean, pretty much. What do you think?
Yep, I think that's good because we can go back and stick down the. It's even cute when they floof out a little bit on the
Yeah,
end.
it is.
Trust us. Like hot glue your finger.
Don't be afraid of hot glue. Especially if you've got like the cool melt. That makes this kind of thing a little bit easier.
It does.
I think I've got this one set on low.
It's on low. Yeah, it does make it easier.
Don't have to be quite as scared of burning your finger off or your fingerprint off.
Like my super powered Stanley that my husband bought for me.
It's like
That thing,
workshop
it's liquid
glue gun.
magma.
Yeah.
It glows red.
So that's our beginning.
The first thing that we are going to do is just simply tie a knot up at the top.
Yeah.
Step 1.
Step 1.
Or it's really step 2 now. I'm afraid not. I'm actually going to slip this kind of as far as I can up. So we've got more length here for other things.
And I think we should probably do a double knot in that spot too.
I can do that
Now, why did we do the double knot?
because of this
Yes, this bead that's sitting here.
here.
Yep. So we're going to take the bead and feed it through this end. And then it's real easy if you can't get it to go through, just do a little twisty motion with your fingers in the same way that the thread is twisted and it'll just send it right through.
Beautiful.
So now we have our hanger ready, and all we have to do is, I'm going to turn it upside down. So this is the back side, and I'm gonna lay the ornament on a hanger. Pull the loop up, and then to top through the loop, making this way more difficult than it needs to be, but you know.
Loop it through.
And then when you turn it back over, the little thing will be on the front. And then when you hang it, you can hang it with the bead on top or the bead on bottom. Your choice.
Your choice. We're so flexible here
Yes.
at Highway 30.
Uh-huh. But this is why you want to do your double knot, because you don't want your bead to slide off the end.
Yeah, that didn't happen just now.
No, this is the second time we filmed this, by the way. It's okay. The finishing touch.
Hey.
You get a little snowflake with your ornament.
So cute.
It might look like this. It might look like this. Look how beautiful they all are.
No one snowflake is alike,
Exactly.
except for the
Except
each
for all
stack.
the doubles in the
Right.
here, but you know.
Okay, those
So,
are pretty.
I love them all. I don't know, which one do you want to use? You could just use, that one's broken, so nobody gets that one.
Nobody gets. This could take a while. This one's kind of cute.
We use that one today. And then you can decide where you want your little snowflake to go. You might want it here or right in the center. We're just gonna take a little bit of hot glue and stick it on.
Where do you want it?
I don't know, I was gonna let you choose.
So we're doing this together. I kind of liked it off to the side. Cool. Maybe like that.
Or center. I don't know, I was gonna let you choose.
Looks like we're gonna do it center, folks. Go center.
So if we were both making one of these today, that's how we would make it different. A little hot glue. A little dab will do ya.
How's that, Amy?
I love it.
These are so cute. Beautiful.
We're so glad that you joined us today to see this transformation. We hope you enjoyed watching us, and if this inspires you to create something similar, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And while you're there, please click on the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next week.